So ladies, it's your birthday. You gon' party like it's your birthday. You gon' feel back hardy like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a, it's not your birthday. You better get it. You better get it. Oh, twerk, work. Hey. Oh, that boy, they ain't ready for you. Let me see. This unfortunately wiped out because I did not use a Sharpie, and we got some little action. Okay, action. Kitty action. I see us kitty action. Okay, this is it for that one. Okay, my peppermint. Get it, peppermint. You better. Go peppermint. Better. Invisible one. You better. Don't know which one you is. You better. This one I don't know what it is either, because of course I didn't use a Sharpie, and the moisture just got everything gone. We have no growth there. My chamomile, no action. I don't know why I look orange like that. I don't know why they look like that. Like, look at this one. This one, we don't got no action. And oh no, I do got some in there. You see that green? Sprouts. Get it. Better sprout. Hey, you get it. Oh, this one right here got a nice little green baby growing right there. You bet it. I think this one my watermelon. Please be my watermelon, because that looks nice. I don't know what this thing stick on it is, but I don't know. Beautiful baby. You're the biggest one. This Echinacea. You get no action. Nope. These are my fridge strawberries. I was just playing around trying to see what would happen, and I see nothing. Oh no, I see a little green right there. These from the refrigerator, and I see a little green. Hey, you better twerk. Oh, hold on, let me make it twerk. Twerk. Yeah, that's my top lip. Y'all look so beautiful. Alright, so this was a big mess. So I thought this had holes in the bottom, and it doesn't. It's solid at the bottom, so none of this water drains. So I didn't realize it till after I used a crate with a solid bottom. So I'm gonna throw this out, redo it, drill some holes in the bottom, and then I can redo that. All right, let's check out my strawberries. So I got these root strawberries online, but I didn't read the directions. The directions told me to put them in the refrigerator for 24 hours before planting them, and I did not. So yeah. We'll see what happens with these. They actually look like they're growing every day. They look better and better each day, believe it or not. But yeah. And it's a little fuzzy now. It wasn't like that, so I don't know what that means. This is my lemon balm. We see no action there, obviously. And this is my sage. Again, zilch. Nah. Nothing at this moment. But I know that you guys will be growing soon. I'm baking you guys. Alright, and this is my big nut pumpkin. Got a lot of little nuts and stuff in here. Lucky when I peek at the seed. Oh my god, it's still crawling around here. I think I might just throw this out, because like, what I'm gonna do with this? And it's mostly compost anyways, because that's what I had left instead of soil. I low-key want to dig one of these up to see if it's growing, but I'm gonna leave this pumpkin alone. My lettuce is the superstar. I think this watermelon, the watermelon tonic roll, that extra mafia, wasn't it? No, we didn't have nothing. This one, my fruit strawberries got a big roll. Yeah.